So there's a dog outside. My dogs might start barking like crazy at any second, so let me try to rush through this. Get out of the window. There's nobody out there. Some of my videos are so simple that I almost feel silly bothering to film them and tell people about it. Today we're going to talk about my curtains and snap rings. We're also going to talk about Velcro and crazy glue. Crazy glue, super glue, the same difference, but you know me, I got to have the crazy glue. So normally you've got these little rings here, and they snap on to these little things there. But the problem is, these rings, especially when you have dogs and old curtains, just rip right through. This used to have another layer of material on it that made them darker. You can still see here some of what's left behind. I wish I could, without spending an arm and a leg, have just new curtains made or have somebody put some new material back on those. I like the vinyl here though, without any extra material, because dog hair is such an issue. Cat hair, pet hair in general. Even if you only have one animal, you know what I'm talking about. Unless you're just really lucky and that animal of yours doesn't shed very much. So what I've been doing is I'm using the snap rings up on the very top, and then I'm buying these Velcro kits and Velcroing them to that using super glue, because of course the sticky that comes with these isn't sticky enough. And that's what I'm going to do today, because I know you guys have seen how this one's constantly just hanging. Well, I've just been leaving it like that. It's pretty damn dirty too. You know, I've never really noticed that. It's 40 years old. What do you expect? But I always have this window open because I can't open the other window because of the air conditioner. Although I do have a solution that's going to allow me to open that window. I just have to get... It's just another project for another day. Today we're going to finish this off though. All snap rings on the top, Velcro on the bottom. That way if the dogs decide to rip the curtains up, the Velcro will come off and not rip another hole in the curtains by tearing the snap tag out. And that's what I was going to tell y'all. If you want to use Velcro, just get you some super glue, crazy glue. I think this is the gel type, with the maximum bond, you know, because fancy words make products better. Like they ever had a minimum bond or a standard bond. They just threw maximum bond on there one day so that the crazy glue would sound better than the super glue when you went to buy it. No, I am not a cutter. I just have cats, and I won't declaw them. As soon as one scratch was gone, another one come. I think the newest one, Socks, was sitting on my lap and something scared him. So anyways, we're going to super glue this to this. Hopefully it'll hold a lot better that way. Ideally, I guess having it sewn in would probably be the smartest idea. That's what we'll try next if this doesn't work. I don't know. I just wanted to do another video about something to do with my RV, and since I'm getting ready to try to fix this, I figure turn on the camera now. And of course, I wanted to show off my stupid... I'm not going to lie to you, this might hurt. It's not exactly straight. have to do. I've got to break his other antenna off. Sorry, dude. You guys do know I'm an Android person. I don't mess with crapple. And hopefully this is his new resting spot. I thought about putting him there in that wood, but this wood is so old. I don't know, maybe it would be good wood. Should I put him on the good wood? Can he see well enough from through the vinyl? Well, the fact of the matter is I've already put a hole in the vinyl, so this is where he's gonna ride. At least the sun won't melt him any more than he already has been up there. So yeah, in life, do whatever you want to do, and don't let anybody tell you you can't.